questions? Can anyone? If you have idea, just send the message. Right? Okay, fine. The last question is fill in the blanks to make each of the following a true statement. Yes, it is a property. So what about this? A union A complement.
Union set, sir.
Universal set, right? A intersection A complement.
Null set.
Null set.
Empty set, right? Uh, complement of empty set intersection A. Pi complement intersection A.
Universal set.
A.
Yeah, pi complement is clearly universal set. Universal set intersection A is A. Very good. Then here
Null set.
null, because you know U complement is empty set. Empty set intersection A is equal to empty. Here pi complement always U. Union intersection A is U. Okay, right? Next, union and intersection. First, I'm going to explain the concept. Then after, okay. Right. Fine. The formulas are, especially you have to remember the important formulas. I'm going to write first one formula, that is n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus P of n of A intersection B minus n of A intersection B. So n nothing but the number of objects in A union B, the number of sub objects in A, the number of objects in B, and n of A intersection B nothing but the number of elements in A intersection B. A comma B are here must be non-empty set. A comma B are two non-empty sets. Okay, I'll give many examples. So what is the advantage of this n of A union? This is called addition theorem also. Like the same formula we are going to use even in probability also. In probability, this is called additional theorem. So P of A union B, probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Is it clear? So this is P of A union B. So n of A union B, we can use in sets concept, and very important. Okay, in daily life problems, okay, real time real life problems. So we can use this formula especially. For example, in a class totally 26, in class 11C, totally 26 students are there. In that, 12 students are studying mathematics and 15 students are studying physics, and in that 10 students are studying both. So like that, see here a few questions are there. We can see all the questions because based on this formula mainly they are going to ask questions. If they ask any questions in JE, definitely they ask question which is related to this formula. Okay, which is related to this formula, right? In case here, since we know that if A comma B are disjoint. Disjoint means
No common element.
No common element.
no common element. That is nothing but what is the intersection of given two sets?
Null set.
Null set.
Empty set.
Okay. Then can you tell me the number of elements in null set?
0.
Zero. Okay. So what do you observe here? If you take only, okay, you have to remember this. If you apply only operation, so that is intersection, you can take the set right side also, it must be set. But when you take n nothing but it is must be in numerical value. Right side we should not write pi, we should take like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that will get. Right? So especially remember that even it should not be a negative value also. N of A is any set, it must be greater than or equal to 0. If A is empty set, we get the answer is 0 because N is there. If A is non-empty set, we'll get the answer is greater than 0. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3 are there. What is N of A? N of A means number of objects or number of elements. 1, 2,
3.
3. 3, that's it.
3.
So 3 is greater than 0, clearly. Right? So this is the formula we can apply. So here, so what type of questions they may ask which is related to that formula? Yeah, different types of questions they may ask. For example, case 1, they may give n of A union B value, n of A, n of B. They may ask n of A intersection B. First question. Second one is they may give n of A, n of B, n of A intersection B. Right side all values they may give. They may ask in union B, A union B value. So n of A union B value. Okay. Third one is they may give, right, see here, n of A union B they give, and n of B also they may give, and intersection also. They may ask n of A value. What is n of A? And at last, so they may give like n of A union B, n of A, n of A intersection B. They may ask n of B. Okay. So mainly, especially, almost maximum number of problems, they may ask n of A union B. If they give n of A, n of B, n of A intersection B, so they may ask n of A intersection B. Okay, in rare cases only, they ask either n of A value, n of B value. N of A is given, N of B is given, N of A intersection B is given. Is it difficult to find N of A union B? No. Okay, and I said clearly you have to remember that union nothing but or, intersection nothing but and. Okay, right. See here. For example, if you go for the next exercise, questions are very, very easy. All the questions are depending on that formula alone. And also you have to remember very important formula. Since we know that, see, A minus B. Shall we write A minus B as A intersection B complement? Yeah, we can write both will be same. Already we have seen this with the help of Venn diagram. Both will be same. So when I take n on both sides, n of A minus B is equal to n of A intersection B complement. This can be written as, everyone should remember this formula, very important, n of A. So A cannot have complement, B alone having complement. So n of A minus n of A intersection B. Okay, n of A minus n of A intersection B. Am I right, students? So this is n of A minus B formula. Sometimes they ask what is the number of elements which is belongs to A minus B. They may give n of A, then they may give n of A intersection B. Then simply n of A minus n of A intersection B. Also give n of A minus B. Am I right? Draw the Venn diagram. Take Venn diagram. See here, this is A, this is B. This is A minus B. This A minus B means only A. So we can remove this B, this part alone. This part alone which is belongs to A minus B. So A minus B, shall I write like this? A minus A intersection B. Also A minus B, am I right? This is A intersection B. So subtract that common region from total A, we'll get A minus B again. Okay, like that. Remember this formula. In the same way, yesterday also clearly I have written this formula, right? Like B minus A can be written as B intersection A complement. So B should not having complement. So n of B minus n of A intersection B. This is the formulas. We should remember these two formulas.
Sir, we can write n of B intersection n also, no, sir?
Enough? Yeah. A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Yes or no? A intersection B is equal to B intersection A because it is commutative. In the same way, A union B is equal to B union A. We can write like this. Both union and intersection, it will be commutative. It will give same value, right? So that I have written here B intersection A actually, right? So B intersection already, A value is A intersection B alone. Okay, so remember these two formulas. Then all questions from the given exercise are very easy, right? See here, first question. X and Y are two sets such that the number of elements in X is 17. The number of elements in Y is 23. So enough union they given, enough union. Find enough X intersection Y. X intersection Y. Formula is what? In terms of X comma Y, then what is the formula here? What
N
is the
of
formula?
N of X union Y is equal to N of X plus N of Y minus N of X intersection Y.
Super, right? Everyone should remember only this formula. Only one formula. Minus N of X intersection Y. Okay, let us take this is one. What are the values they given in the question? Tell me what is N of X they given. I think you have textbooks, right? Tell me N of X.
Plus 17.
17. N of Y.
23.
23. N of X union Y.
38.
38. Right. All these values substitute in equation 1. So 38 is clearly equal to N of X is 17 plus 23. But they are asking N of X intersection Y. Do one thing. This X intersection Y take left side. Negative becomes positive. So this is equal to 17 plus 23. 40. Is it right? So this 38 you can take right side minus 38. I'm taking N of X intersection Y is left side, 38 is right side. 40 minus 38 becomes 2. So N of X intersection Y is equal to 2. So after doing the problem, after completion of the problem, it's better to, you should verify the answer. The book bag they given the answers, just you can check it once, whether your answer is correct or not. Is it right answer?
Yes, sir.
So I'm taking the formula, in that formula, whatever the values they are given, I substituted and I simplified. We got the answer. A simple question. First one is very easy questions, right? Then let's go for the second one. Actually, we can say directly also, because in within 5 seconds we can easily say the answer if it is objective. But NCRT we cannot write direct answers, so that you can try to write the steps. Okay, here what they given again in terms of X comma Y. So in this question, if you see X and Y are two sets. Such that X union Y has how many elements? 18. What is the mean by that? Enough X number of elements in X union Y is equal to 18. 18. Then X has 8 elements. That is nothing but what? Enough X having 8 elements. Right. Enough Y is value is what? Enough Y is equal to 15. Again, what is the question? How many elements does X intersection Y have? Again, what is the formula? Same formula. Am I right? Enough X. Shall I write direct formula? Otherwise, okay. First, enough X union Y is equal to enough X plus enough Y minus enough X intersection Y. Am I right? From this, I want to take here itself. Yeah, here itself that enough X intersection Y left side. Enough X intersection Y is clearly equal to enough X plus n of y minus n of x union y. Now let us take this as equation 1. Is it clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So all values are given here. N of x is given, n of y is given, n of x union y is given. Substitute the values. What is n of x is given? Yes. In the question, x having how many elements?
8
8.
elements, sir.
8 plus n of y,
15.
15. X union y,
18.
18. Okay, then what is the answer?
5.
5.
5.
5. 5 is the answer, right? Simple. This is the answer. Next question. Only one formula. Here, just what is my question is, just tell me what are the values they given here. That's it. What is the given data according to the question? Yeah, anyone? Third question. In a
Sir,
group of
Sir, X union Y, X and Y is given, sir.
okay, let us take A and B. Otherwise, X and Y. That's your wish. Otherwise, you can take like your Hindi is given. Hindi you can take as H. English you can take as E. That's up to you. Up to you. Okay, you can. It's bet your wish. If you want to take the set of student or group of people can speak Hindi as capital H and second set as capital E. That's up to you, right? Okay, here I'm taking A comma B. A with a set of group of people can speak Hindi. So what is N of A? N of A value.
250.
250.
How many are speak Hindi? Yeah, 250. Okay, you only tell me. Uh, okay, fine, students. N of A is 250. Okay, N of B, the number of people can speak English,
200.
200. And other like remaining data, what about this 400, whether it is A intersection B or A union B?
Sir,
Union, sir,
A
because it is
union B.
total.
Yeah, a group of 400 people means we should consider union. Okay, and if you observe the question, how many people can speak both Hindi and nothing but I said very clearly that is intersection. They ask me intersection. So in the question here, n of A union B value they given like 400. Then they asking n of A intersection B value. Both. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? Again, same formula. What is the formula? N of what is
A
A?
union B.
I want to take A intersection B is equal to n
N
of
of
A.
A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. A union B, sir. Sir, A
Right,
union.
right. Union because left side already we taking it out. We can write in both ways. And if from this formula also we can written as like this: n of A plus n of B is equal to n of A union B plus n of A intersection B. Is it right? We can write like this also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. N of A is given, N of B is given, then we need to find N of A union B plus N of A intersection B. We can use this formula. Okay, Amma, you can substitute and tell me the answer. What is N of A intersection B? Anyone?
50.
50, sir.
Simple, adding these two values, subtract this. That's it. Okay, we'll get the intersection. Very good. Next. Next question is what? Question number 4. S and T are two sets already given. It's there itself they given. S and 2 are two non-empty set. S as 21 elements. S as 21 elements. Let us consider okay, T as 32 elements. And S intersection, C intersection value is given as 11 elements. Now, how many elements does S union T have? Nothing but what is the formula? Same formula, but we should write in terms of
X union B.
exactly S
X union
union
Y, sir.
T. Already S and T there itself they given the sets S and T are the given sets, so that you should write the formula in terms of S and T alone. So n of S union T is equal to what?
N of S plus N of T minus N of S intersection T.
What is n of S is given? N of
Sir,
S
21.
21 plus 32
32
minus
minus 11.
what is the answer?
42 is the answer, sir. 42.
42. That's it. This is the answer for this question. So how many elements does S union T have? 40. Right. Question number 5. If X and Y are two sets such that X has 40, X is given here. Nothing but N of X is given. Right. N of X is given. N of X is 40. N of X value is 40. Then N of X union Y value is
60,
what?
sir.
Yeah, 60. Then intersection is given. N of
X intersection Y is 10, sir.
10. What the question in that question? What they asking? How
Sir,
many
they're
elements?
asking Y.
Why? They are asking the question N of Y is equal to what? The number of elements in Y. Formula.
N
Same
of X
form.
is equal to N of X union Y plus N of X intersection Y minus N of X.
Yeah. From this, we require just N of Y value. N of Y is equal to, as we said, right, write the formula. Formula is what? N of X union Y plus N of X intersection Y minus N of X. Am I right?
X.
Substitute the
Yes, sir.
values. Simple 60 plus 10 minus 40, that is equal to, yes, 30.
Sir, 30.
30 is the answer. Any doubts? Again, same formula. Only one formula you have to remember. Okay. From that, I have written N of Y. The answer will be 30. Is equal to 30. Next step. Question number 6. In a group of 70 people, 37 like coffee. Coffee means it's better to take enough C. C nothing but coffee. Okay. So how many people like coffee? The number of people will be 37. Next step. 52 like tea. Tea means I'm taking capital T with the set of all the people like tea. So this is they given 52. Okay, fine. A group of how many people? That is coffee union tea is equal to 70, right? A group of 70 means this is always union. Either the people can like coffee or tea? Okay, what is the question? Both. Both nothing but remember that coffee and
C
tea.
intersection T.
Yeah, yeah, and is given intersection. So here the question is, what is the value of C intersection T? Yeah, anyone? What is the answer? We can say directly.
Sir, 19.
Sir, 19.
19. Very good. 37 plus 52 minus 70. 37 plus 52 minus 70, that is equal to 19. All of you got the same answer? I hope so everyone get the same answer. The same formula you can substitute, right? Let's go for the next question. In a group of 65 people, 65 people, 40 likes cricket, 10 like both cricket and tennis. How many like tennis only and not cricket? How many like tennis? See here,
Sir, 35 is the answer, sir.
see, actually, you should understand very clearly here what they're asking. How many like only tennis only, not cricket?
Sir, 25.
25. How can you say it is 25? What is the question here actually? For example, tennis and
Sir, we
cricket.
have to add 65 and 10 and subtract 40 from that, sir.
Okay, first, what is the given data? Anyone?
Sir,
Sir,
X union Y is 65.
Okay, one second.
X intersection Y is 40.
Instead of x, you
And
can
X
take
is
better to take
X intersection Y is 10, sir.
y. Wait a minute. So, what are the test? How many? It is related to cricket and tennis, right? So, let us take here this as C. Cricket means C, right? What is enough C? How many are like cricket?
Sir, 40.
40. What about tennis?
Sir, we have to find
Okay, we have to find. So, what is C union T?
65, sir.
Is it they given any C intersection T?
10, sir.
10. So actually, what is the question? In question, we have to find C here.
N of T,
What
sir.
N of T minus C they are asking. T minus C. What is the question? The people only like tennis only, not cricket. Not cricket, nothing but the meaning is we can write both actually. From second question, how many like tennis? Just we have to find enough T. But here in the first question, like tennis only, tennis only. Tennis only means let us take this is tennis. Yeah, tennis and cricket. Tennis only means this region we need to find. But not common. Not common. This region nothing but T minus C. So in the first subdivision, we need to find what is N of T minus C. T minus C means I already written the formula. This can be written as T intersection C complement. Am I right? This is equal to, what is the formula? Shall I write N of T minus N of T intersection C? Yes or no? I have written the formulas.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very clearly I have written the formulas. Right here. A minus B. A intersection B complement. N of A minus N of A. B minus A is B intersection A complement. That is N of B minus N of A intersection B. Okay, students. So here we need to find this value. Further, we should know what is N of T. Yeah. As you said, first find N of T. All of you find N of T.
Sir, 35.
Is there N of T is 35? Yes, students. What is N of T formula? N of C union T plus N of C intersection T minus N of C. Am I right? What is the answer after substitution the values? 35.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 35 is this total value. This total value, n of t, nothing but. But we required only tennis, not cricket, nothing but n of t minus c. That is n of t minus n of t intersection c. So n of t already we got 35 minus already t intersection c is given. T intersection
10,
c
sir.
value is 10, nothing but 25 is the answer. So here two questions are there. In that the answer for the first question is 25. This is 25. This is 35. The number of people like tennis is 35, but only tennis, not cricket, is 25. Okay. So one more question is there that you can try because time is over, completed.